Welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to talk about the IELTS reading section. Remember when you book your IELTS to select the academic option. It's very important because the UK universities request an IELTS academic, not the general training one. Also check on your university website if they request a UKVI IELTS or a normal IELTS academic. In this video we are going to look at the characteristic of the IELTS reading section, so what you have to expect from this part of the test, what are the strategies to get the highest score possible, the time management and also the vocabulary that is very important for this part of the IELTS. The IELTS reading is divided in 3 sections, and for each section you're going to have a text to read and questions to answer. The question will be around 40. They may be multiple choice or completion questions, so where you need to insert part of the text, or it can be true, false and not given. In each of the sections the text is going to be every time more difficult, both in the content and in the vocabulary. The texts are going to be extracted from academic journals and articles, so you will get a sense of what is going to be studying in a university abroad, because you will see when you will start your university course that you will read many journals and many articles. So in this occasion you will have the opportunity to get already all the skills you need to prepare for your reading for the IELTS, but also for the university. You have 1 hour to complete your IELTS reading, and usually it is advised to spend 20 minutes for each text. However, I strongly advise you to spend a bit more time on the last test because it's going to be the more difficult one. Remember also that you will have to insert all your answer in this 1 hour time, so you won't be given any time at the end of the test. In this part of the IELTS, you may find also diagrams that you have to analyze or data that you have to analyze, but all the information will be given in the 3 texts that you're going to read, so you won't need to have any preparation before doing the IELTS. At the end of the test, they will give you a score between 1 to 9 and also half points, so you may get a 6 in the IELTS reading or a 6.5 or another number. For each correct answer, you will get a point. Remember that if you insert the wrong answer, you will get just a 0, so they will not deduct any points from your test. So it's always very important not to leave the answer blank, but in case to guess a possible answer.